Welcome to my class. Me Nazmun Nahar from Fatima High School. Our school has organized this online classes for you because this is COVID-19 time and the pandemic is going on all over the world, and for this reason we are staying at home. But you don't waste your time. Now I am with you for class 8 English. Last day we know that we learned about a lesson from our English for today. But now, today I am going to teach you how to write a paragraph. In our this section, if you look at the sample question, you see that there is a writing part for D and there will be a paragraph, and you have to answer this, write a paragraph by answering the questions. Sometime you will get this paragraph from your natural life experiences, so you don't need to memorize anything. When we were young, then we have to memorize all the poems, explanations, question answers, paragraph, because we don't know how to write from the real experiences. But now, today I am going to teach you how to write from your real experiences, and this will make you be confident in your exam hall. If you overcome your exam hall's fairness, that means exam fairness, then you will be able to write any kind of paragraph, dialogue, email, etc. etc. Ready? Let's start. Now today our class is paragraph writing. There is a paragraph in your book that how to make custard. We have learned it in our classroom, but sometimes we say that we can see that mother cooked it for us. Think that you know how to make custard, but when you are in exam hall, there is a paragraph. You have to write how to make a cup of tea. How to make a cup of tea. Okay, so you know the ingredients and you have seen your mother to make a cup of tea for any members of your family, and think that what are the ingredients? Can you imagine? Yeah, first number, mother always use the boiled water, so the first ingredient is boiled water. Second number, there are various types of tea. If you want to make a cup of tea, the milk tea, then you need, first number, you need any kind of tea leaf. So this is the tea leaf. Third number, you need some sugar. Next number, I told you that this is a cup of tea which is made with milk, so you need any kind of milk, that means maybe condensed milk, or think that this is a milk pot. Milk. Next number, you need to sieve the liquid or liquor with a strainer. This is the strainer, and at last you will get a cup of tea, beautiful hot aroma tea. Clear? And this tea is very hot. Think that this is very hot, and there is a cup and there is a saucer. So this is the process, that means the ingredients of tea. Then you can just write serially according to the sequence. So first number, you can write that tea is a popular drink. It is drink all over the world by the people. Most of the people like tea rather than coffee. So first number, you need boiled water, then some tea leaves, some sugar, milk, and at last we can get a cup of tea. Clear? Next you can write the process. First take some water in kettle. Second number, you have to, after 4 or 5 minutes after boiling the water, you need to add 3 or 4 spoonfuls of tea leaf. Next number, after 3 or 4 minutes, when the liquor is ready, then you can add some sugar or milk, or sometimes we strain it or save it with a strainer into the cup and then add sugar or milk. So this is the process. So you don't need to memorize anything. Clear? Second number, sometimes we have to write another type of paragraph, that so this is the process. And by okay, next number, think that you have to write a paragraph on about our foods. Clear? And first number, you think that I told you that you don't need to memorize anything, just only look and see. Okay, I call it looking and learning. First number, remember that how many times do we take our meals, and the first number in the breakfast. Second number, we take our meal at noon, that means lunch. Sometime we take some snacks in the evening, snacks. And the last time at dinner, we take something. So just only remember what things we take at these times. First number, some of us take roti, okay, or milk, or tea, coffee. Just remember these things. You don't need to memorize anything. Just remember these things. Sometimes we take some eggs, maybe slices of bread. Sometimes we eat, mother sometimes cook us for us, hospals. Sometimes we also eat rice. Clear? So these are the foods we take in at breakfast. Second number, as a Bangladeshi, we boiled rice is our staple food. So we take rice. Just only remember rice, dal or lentil, fish, any kind of fish, maybe rui, katla, ilish, hilsha, any kind of fish, catfish, etc. The children like the chicken. Clear? Next number, we usually eat rice, dal, vegetables. Thank you. Any kind of vegetables. Sometimes we like brinjal or potato or cauliflower. Okay, any kind of vegetables, bean, etc., etc. So this, we take these items at our lunch. So just only write the names of the foods. Next now, snacks. When we are from our playground, then we sometimes eat chips, noodles, as usual, milk, tea, okay, and biscuits. Good, biscuits. So any kind of snacks, we can get them from our maybe mini Chinese. Nowadays we like burger, sandwiches, some chicken fries maybe, or chips, etc., etc., or French fries. So you can write these names as snacks in the evening. Next number, dinner. As usual, we also eat rice, dal, roti or bread, okay, or any kind of custard, or sometimes we take sweet meat as a dessert. Okay, so these are the daily food for Bangladesh. And if you are Bangladeshi, then you will use your hand. Okay, we sometimes use spoons or fork, but as usually we use our hands to eat these things. And instead of that, you can write about the festives. Sometimes we take muri, chira, khoi, naru. It is very familiar in our daily life. And if there is a festive time, we sometimes take pithas, and or maybe some traditional foods. In on Pohela Boishakh, we take panta, ilish. It is our traditional food. So if you write about the Bangladeshi food, you can write that these are the Bangladeshi foods, and our food is very tasty and it's very spicy, because and it's also with affectionate of our mother. Mother cooks it for us, and sometimes maybe our grandmother, aunt, auntie. Okay, so they cook it for us, and this is very delicious. So this is the differences between the foods from abroad and Bangladesh. Do you want to memorize this? Do you want to know the names from your book? No, we usually know these things. So if you are in an exam hall, you don't need to memorize anything, just only see and look. So this is called looking and learning, and this is the technique. If you are self-confident, then no obstacle will come, and I think that you will get enough marks. Okay, and please be careful. You are in class 8, so you have to write these paragraphs, any kind of paragraphs, within 150 to 170 words. And 10% more or less is no problem. It's okay. So you have to write within 150 to 170 words in only one paragraph. Please be careful about only one paragraph. You don't need to write it 2 or 3. You think that you are excited and you need to write all these things within 2, 3 or 4 paras, because there will be 5 or 6 questions and you have to answer these questions in your paragraph. So you are very excited and you have written all the things in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paras. So please be careful about the paras. And so don't worry, be confident and practice yourself and get your lesson and do your homework daily. Now this is the homework for you, and the homework is write a paragraph about HW, and today's homework is write a paragraph about Bangladeshi cuisine. And you have to write this paragraph within 150 to 170 words, and you can get help from your EFT because there is a lesson about Bangladeshi cuisine. Okay, so that's all for today. Be safe and stay home, and see you soon. Bye.